Lesson 3. Basic Greetings from Learn English Academy. Introduction. Hello and welcome to Learn English Academy. In today's lesson, you will learn basic English greetings that you can use every day to start conversations with confidence and politeness. Let's get started. Main lesson. 1. Hello. Hello is a very common greeting used any time during the day. It is simple and friendly. Example: Hello, how are you today? You can use it when you meet someone or when you answer the phone. 2. Good morning. Used in the morning from early hours until about noon, it shows respect and friendliness. Example: Good morning. I hope you have a great day. You can say this to family, friends, or colleagues. 3. Good afternoon. Used after 12 p.m. noon until the evening time. Example: Good afternoon. How was your lunch? It's polite to use in schools, offices, or when meeting someone in the afternoon. 4. Good evening. Used in the evening, usually after 5 or 6 p.m. Example: Good evening. Nice to see you here. It's a polite way to greet someone in the evening. 5. How are you? This is a polite question to ask about someone's feelings or health. Example: How are you today? People usually answer with positive or neutral answers. 6. I'm fine, thank you. This is a polite response to how are you? Example: I'm fine, thank you. And you? It shows that you care and are polite in conversation. 7. Nice to meet you. Used when you meet someone for the first time. Example: Nice to meet you, I've heard a lot about you. It's a friendly and respectful phrase. 8. See you later. A friendly way to say goodbye when you plan to meet again. Example: See you later. Take care. 9. Goodbye. Used to say farewell when leaving. Example: Goodbye. Have a nice day. It is formal and polite. Conclusion. Great job. Now you know many basic English greetings that you can use every day. Practice these greetings with your friends and family to become more confident in speaking English. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Academy for more useful and easy lessons. See you in the next video.